is she? What is her name? Lucky Gavin. She's your cousin. When was the last time that you saw each other? You see each other? Yeah. Yeah, when was it? You've been here last year, 2022, I think. You're happy with Ate Sabi? Is Ate Sabi mabait? But Ate Sabi is so shy. She's not talking. See? What do you want to tell Lucky Gavin? What do you want to tell her? Naku, mayayain tong Ate Sabi mo. Daddy mo naman tulog, laging tulog. Ano ba ang ugali ng daddy mo? Trabaho at? Anong daddy mo? Your daddy, what? Tulog na tulog din? Yung daddy ni Sapi, tulog na tulog din. Every tanghali. You always keep tulog. Really?
Yes.
You can do that?
Yeah.
Very good. You're helping your mom with her business?
Yeah.
What about you, Safi? What can you do to help Mama? Can you make tahi? Because we don't have a shop like selling shomai. We don't know how to do that.
But we do.
You have to help Ate Safi. Teach her how to do it. Okay?
Yeah. Safi. Anyway.
Mayayain tong Ate Safi na to.